Hello, my friends. I'm Professor Hans von Puppet. I've been asked about the recent UNDT order, which did not suspend the OIOS investigation into Herr Kompass. Applying for a court order involves asking a judge to answer a specific question within a tight set of rules. All of the really interesting questions are left for later. The tribunal will only have the opportunity to address those questions and many others if there ever is a hearing in the case, and there may not be. So why is this order important? Well, it means OIOS doesn't need to follow their own procedures. And there is nothing anyone can do about that because the UNAT has ruled that you have no right to challenge OIOS's decision to start an investigation, even if the complaint was made in bad faith. OIOS can investigate anyone, not because they did anything wrong, but just because Lapointe's friends want them investigated. This happened to Herr Kompass, who was a D2, so don't think it couldn't happen to you. Of course, the ethics office is supposed to protect you from retaliation, but their protection is about as much use as a paper hat. Dubinsky helped orchestrate the investigation into Kompass, and there is nothing anyone can do about that because the UNAT has ruled that you have no right to challenge any decision made by the ethics office. Fantastic! Well, UN staff sometimes tell their boss to do something illegal and ask me if they should report it. I tell them you should follow your conscience. The staff rules require you to report him, but if you do, you must be prepared to revise your own career prospects downwards, because you will be retaliated against. That, sadly, is almost guaranteed. Of course, the UN will disagree and say, no, the professor is paranoid, this never happens. Really? You should read UNDT judgments, like Nate or Nguyen-Kropp Postica, or Maiga, to see the sort of retaliation that goes unpublished. A smart person would put links below to find those. Even readers to the National Enquirer find it unbelievable. It may be compulsory to report misconduct, but the UNAT has ruled that you have no right to protection if you do so. You are beholden to senior management, who may, as a gracious favor, grant you protection from retaliation. But it is management who do the retaliating, so expecting them to protect you from retaliation is like expecting turkeys to vote for Christmas. So even if you don't care about the sexual abuse of children, you should care about what happened to Herr Kompass. You could be next. And don't expect Oslo to defend you. The deck is stacked in management's favor. You can't claim your rights were violated if you have no rights to begin with. Nobody is looking out for your interests or demanding these rules be changed. The only thing the Dowager Empress and the imperial eunuchs care about is maintaining the status quo. Neither UN staff members nor those children in the Central African Republic are of any importance to them. And that is disgraceful.